Midjourney photo editing, morphing ordinary into imaginative masterpieces. Although there are thousands of other photo editing tools or software on the internet that offer quite extraordinary features and tools, Midjourney photo editing is an entirely wondrous exposure. It's equipped with some startling features to turn an ordinary image into a stunning masterpiece, surpassing the limits of image customization beyond imaginative AI. What sets photo editing with Midjourney apart is that now the creative designers and editors don't have to pick tools and apply them to the images they edit, the way it's done in typical editing tools and softwares like Photoshop. Adding to your knowledge, Midjourney does not come with only these basic editing functions that are offered in almost every other editing tool. Interestingly, the recently released Midjourney V5 comes with some advanced editing features, including enhanced image processing, a modified and user-facilitative interface, pre-designed backgrounds to apply to images, and a variety of many more features to augment your photo editing experience. The creative editors just need to open the command prompt and write the changes they wish to make, such as cropping something from it, resizing it, adding stickers and text to it, and applying enhancing features. For instance, in order to resize your image, use this command /imagine image URL and resize 50%. To add text, use this /imagine image URL. Caption your text here. Meanwhile, there's a plethora of other commands you can use to make other sophisticated changes with Midjourney photo editing.